Welcome to our inaugural series, Dr. Talks Percussion. We're here in Oahu, Hawaii. My name is Michael Carey with Fitness Evolution 808. We're going to talk about the use of a percussion massager for chronic issues that you may deal with or somebody that you know, a loved one, may deal with as well. We're going to be talking about the different accessory heads as well as how to use them on your body. You may have a different percussion device, but just try to use what you have available and get the same kind of effects that we're hoping to give you today. And Doc?
Aloha, my name is Dr. Kai Morguar with Prime PT Wellness Clinic here in Kaneohe, Hawaii. Okay, so for the neck, we can have radiculopathy, which is the shooting nerve pains from the neck and down the arm. They do branch off, so that's where accurate diagnosis on where you're having nerve pinching is necessary. First off, we're going to be starting with the neck. So all of us, we're on our phones, especially if you have desk jobs, we're at a computer all day. Super common to have pain and stiffness of the neck. And that's where our Vibro First massages come in. So for starters, we're going to be starting with the foam head. So nice forgiving, even if we hit bone, still got some padding there for comfort. Starting off on a slow speed, just to kind of test the waters. So that's where, essentially based on your comfort, you don't want to be jumping to our higher ends. You don't want to be 10 plus, hit a bone and cause more pain. So ease into it, right along the neck here. So that's where the biggest benefit is our increased circulation and the promotion of the healing process. So literally melt away our stress through getting these tight, death gripping muscles to loosen up. So that's where we want, because we have a lot of bones, and of course we don't want to pinch hair, but getting all of these tight muscles to loosen up feels good for everybody.